It's Freckleface Doodles here, and in today's video I'm going to show you an updated version of my shirt that I heat pressed with 3G opaque paper. Go to the link in the description below because you'll see the previous video that I did a year ago where I showed and compared the different papers, the different inks and everything that you're supposed to use and not supposed to use. That'll really help you out when you see the shirt today so you don't make the same mistakes I did.
So here's the before of the shirt, and in this video I filmed this in June or July of 2018, so it's been about a year. And when I filmed this, I had already heat pressed and worn the shirt for about 4 months, so I'm just showing the durability of it, and it's obviously faded. It was faded like this when I heat pressed it because I used sublimation ink, but it also lost some of its color over time. So this is the after. I filmed this about a year later. The noticeable differences are it definitely faded a lot more. I noticed where it says good vibes, the ink bled into the paper more, and also there's noticeable cracks. If you want to see a side-by-side comparison of the before and after, please wait until the end of the video. Also make sure to check out my social media because I am also on Instagram and Twitter.
If you're new to this channel, please like this channel, and also please hit that bell notification icon because then you'll stay updated and you'll know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.